everybody, it's Milsey back again. I'm back with a retail football break. I got one box of 2017 Absolute Football, and this is a premium box you can find at Target. It's got 10 cards per pack, 4 packs. Now these are $40 at Target, but I picked it up on eBay for already a $25 ship. So tell you that they're not worth the $40 if they're selling on eBay for $25, but you get one autograph and one meme card per box, so I figured $25 I'll give a shot for at least one of them. I really didn't like the Absolute Blasters or hanger packs that well, so not expecting too much out of this, but the 2 hits, maybe I can hit one nice rookie. So let's open this guy up. Panini needs to drop these to like $30 next year, because 2016 was the same way overpriced. So there we go. 2 packs there. Packs there. Alright. Pack 1. I think the base design is very nice looking, but just not very much came out of the retail blasters and stuff like that to make it worthwhile. But I think the base design is really cool looking. Le'Veon Bell, Jordy Nelson, Beckham, Todd Gurley, and Nathan Peterman, rookie for the Bills. Rookie roundup. Simeon, Sam Bradford, Edelman, Gordon, and T.Y. Hilton. Alright. Let's see. Next pack. Andrew Luck, Mike Wallace, Tyrod Taylor, Joey Bosa, another rookie roundup, Jamal Williams for the Packers. Pretty good looking design. Pretty basic on the back though. So those are probably my 2 rookies I'm going to get, base rookies. And we got a blue parallel, Richard Sherman. A lot of guys that are hurt, man. It's too sad. Achilles pull. Pretty rough. Blue parallel there. McCoy, Lacey, Rosenberger, and Aaron Rodgers. Alright, so the 2 hits should be in this pack. This feels like a pretty thick pad, so this might be the jersey pack. Allen Hurns, Freeman, Tannehill, Sherman. And we got a kickoff, Adrian Peterson. And the hit, Cameron Sutton for the Steelers. Sticker autograph, red parallel, I guess, for the retail rookie reflex. There's the back. Not bad looking back. So there's the hit, Cameron Sutton. And then we got Marshall, Goff, Evans, and Cobb. Alright, last pack should have the jersey. Maybe it's patches. I don't know if they have patches in these or not. Kenny Britt, Andy Dalton, Watkins, Baldwin. I've got a 3rd rookie roundup, Chris Goodwin. This one, 3rd, so 3 base rookies. Not bad there. I think the blaster, I only got 1 rookie, the whole blaster. Mariota, Olsen, Stafford, Elliott, and the hit. Oh, we're keeping it Steelers. James Conner. Is that just the cutout there? So there it is, the back. So Steeler box, definitely. So basically 3 rookies and the 2 hits. If I was a Steelers fan, not a Bengals fan, I would love this box, but that's it for this box of 2017 Absolute Football Premium Box, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.